don't have a great angle either. Somebody's over there. He's hit. That's what happened. So bro, you definitely don't want to peek your head out without having your gun out. Best way to get a headshot. Oh! Somebody shot me in the butt. Behind the barrel. Oh. No, you're good. Are you sure? Yeah. Oh, nice. I'm gonna try and shoot through this. Ah, hit. Good job. right on that corner. You see him? I think we had a guy to shoot it at the barrel. Come through. Hey, great. Hit, hit. Coming in. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you guys are in game. I think you gotta stay in the middle. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, we just gotta run around in a circle in the middle until somebody shoots you. I'm sorry, bro. I know. No? Oh, I thought that was the rule. I may be wrong. Don't listen to me. Well then, I guess I'll fair game. I'm gonna run straight. Oh wait. Straight down the middle.
Oh my God!
Hit.
I'm so glad I heard you coming.
Yeah, it's a really weird game. Can't we just like play some team deathmatch? Like, I think that's what we all really want. Fine, you're good. Cool, cool. On your six, going in. Oh, hit!